Are you looking for how to fix no valid QR code detected problem? In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp web no valid code detected problem. For solving this problem, go to Google Chrome on your laptop, then click on three dot menu, then go to settings, click on settings, then go to privacy and security, then go to clear browsing data, then click on time range, then click on all time, then click on clear all data. Now wait for until completing the process. Then search for WhatsApp web. WhatsApp web. Click on WhatsApp web. After getting the code, after getting the QR code, now go to your phone screen. Now open WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Now click on three dot menu. Click on link device. Logout if available. Logout. Now again click on link device. Now scan a QR code from your laptop. After scanning your code, now it's connecting to your PC. Wait for a few minutes. Now check on your PC. I hope that this method fix WhatsApp web no valid QR code detected problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.